Hello guys, and welcome to today's vlog. First off, I apologise, I'm looking very sweaty. It's very hot here in Victoria, Australia. But anyway, I thought I'd just come on and make this intro to this vlog because I have a very exciting weekend planned. I'm just gonna go pack and get to bed, and I'll see you all in the morning. He loves it. Watch him show off. My dad is still washing the truck.
Look at this, the Spirit of Tasmania down there. Look at the size of that one.
Is that the Spirit?
Yeah, the red one.
That's so tiny. What's that? Is that like a carnival or something?
Something like that.
Yeah, that's Moose. I just said that. You can't do that. It's not funny.
I heard you say it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I heard you say it.
That's Moose. Don't you dare say Dad! Hi Dad. Oh my god, it's so big. So we just got to Frankston and look at the view. I can't even deal. Go. Oh, that was easy. Do it again. Oh. That sucks. I don't want to leave this way. I can't tell what song it is, so I can't dance.
Take some beach sand home and bloody put it through a sieve.
Give it brown sugar.
With coffee.
Well, it tastes salty. Oh,
Sandy.
sandy.
It's 5 o'clock.
Is that beer time? Okay, we got to our house in Frankston. Room tour time. Hi Moose. And a door. We have a bin. What's in them? Is there a TV in them? We have a bowl. What's that? A painting. One bed. A moose. What's that called? A table. Oh, we got some twinings. Oh, we have chai.
Yeah.
And we have, what's this one?
English breakfast.
Okay. And what's this?
Toast runner.
Oh. Okay, and we got one cup, so we have a beer because it's past 5 o'clock. My towel, body off my bed. We have another cupboard. Got my stuff in it. We have a shower. Right here. Oh, that makes up for a TV.
Yeah.
You got Rexone and women's.
I don't care.
Bruce, you're not taking all of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so our shower's green. Nice. We got some body wash. We got the toilet. We got Moose on the loose. And our Happy New Year balloons. What's in there?
Nothing now.
Okay. A sink, glasses, a stove. What's this? Water. Okay. Okay. Alright, we have utensils. And what have we got in the fridge? Beer. Ow! Mmm.
How many packets you bring?
2.
Oh, good.
Okay, this is awkward. I'm going outside. I just want to move here. Frankston, I love you so much. I think I'm gonna move here. But I think we are going for a walk to the beach soon, which is cool. But hey, outfit of the day. This top from my sister, which is from Billabong. Jeans. How cute is this backyard? Is this not something you'd see on like a horror movie? I'll get hit by a car. Where's car?
At least you laugh.
How beautiful the sunset is.
We might spend a fair bit more time here.
Yeah, I'll come down every weekend. This place is so beautiful. What the heck? What time is it?
10.
That's the creepy house. When are we moving here?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? Okay. What did you just do?
I left my arm on there and it's boiling.
Okay, update. We are in the city now. We're in Footscray and we're gonna head into the city soon. So I just got mascara on and then we're coming home back to Footscray, getting ready for the night. We love R.M. Williams. Oh, nice. Probably says do not touch. I should go down there and look at you.
Let me out.
Video.
I want to jump on track 30.
I had to make sure it was you. Oh my gosh.
You're the one that's been on fire.
Yeah.
All burnt out.
Oh, they're so pretty. It literally looks like something off a cruise ship.
When there's water there.
Where?
Fire hydrant. Water.
Well, how are you gonna get?
Fire hydrant.
How are you gonna get the water
Draft it
over
up.
there?
Draft it up into the truck and into there.
But
If that's
where's
on
the
fire,
truck?
There's gonna be, if there's that's on fire, there's going to be a truck here.
Hi.
What's his done?
Ow. It's too tall. Okay, so we have found a crocodile. In the Yarra. Yeah, the boys. Look at it. Just kidding. It's just a rock. Or what is it?
Floating.
It's-
Crocodile.
It's floating. It's a log. It looks like a crocodile though. Melbourne Public Bar. Getting the Starbies.
Cinnamon, vanilla, nut
Walk
Yeah.
quicker. God, it's so packed. I'm all alone in the city. But yeah. And I am waiting for people. My brother left me all alone.
That's the video, honey.
I know. Wink.
I vlog for a living.
That'd be really cool.
What?
I'd do it without a camera though. I go, okay, now I'm going here. So how was your poo?
Very joyful.
What?
Not very joyful.
Why? Ew. Oh, that's gross. Okay, well. Leaving Footscray, which means we're leaving the city, and now we've got to go back home. We slept in a lot and now we're just getting fuel and leaving, and I've still got all my makeup on from last night, as you can see. I don't want to leave. So guys, we are home and I don't like it, but that's okay. And I'm dead, so I'm gonna go have a sleep and finish this vlog up here. So I hope you enjoyed, and like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Bye. Do I look good?
Hmm?
Do I look good?
Yeah, what the hell?